Okay, so take note. Imbube, not imbube. It's imbube. Alright, that's the first thing. Second thing, I'm going to do the crescendo and decrescendo, which means increase in volume and decrease in volume. Alright, so imbube group 1, imbube group 2, imbube group 3, and in the jungle group 4. Alright, okay, imbube. Okay, ready. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We are on my way.